So now let us start trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So again keep sin square theta here, plus 1 when it plus cos square theta when it goes that side, minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So the main identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Cot square theta is equal to secant square theta minus cot square theta. 1 is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. So now exercise first problem, evaluate sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square we have to expand in a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A value is sin theta, b value is cos theta. A square means sin square theta, b square means cos square theta, 2ab means 2 sin theta cos theta. Second one, sin theta minus cos theta whole square. This one we have to expand in a minus b whole square. Here also a value is sin only. So a square means sin square theta, b means cos theta. So b square is cos square theta minus 2ab. So minus 2 into sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, both will get cancelled. How many times sin square theta is there? Sin square theta plus sin square theta is 2 sin square theta. Cos square theta plus cos square theta is 2 cos square theta. If you observe in these two, 2 is common. So 2 we have taken common. So common means we have to write it in the brackets rest of the terms. So 2 if you take common, sin square theta is remaining. Here also 2 if you take common, cos square theta is remaining. So sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 2 ones are 2. So once again, sin theta plus cos theta whole square we have expanded in a plus b whole square. A square means sin square theta, b square means cos square theta, 2ab means 2 sin theta cos theta. Here a minus b whole square. So here also a is sin theta, b is cos theta. So a square means sin square theta, b square means cos square theta, minus 2ab means minus 2 into sin theta cos theta, plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, both will get cancelled. Now add sin square theta. Sin square theta plus sin square theta is 2 sin square theta. Cos square theta plus cos square theta is 2 cos square theta. In these two, 2 is common. So 2 if I write common, sin square theta is remaining, plus 2 I have written common, so cos square theta. Just now we have learned identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 2 ones are 2. So second problem is secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Just now we have learned trigonometric identities. Secant square theta minus 1 identity is tan square theta. Cosecant square theta minus 1 identity is cot square theta. So tan square theta into cot reciprocal is tan. So cot square theta plus we can write it as 1 by tan square theta. So tan square theta will get cancelled. 1 is the answer. Once again, secant square theta minus 1 trigonometric identity is tan square theta. Cosecant square theta minus 1 identity is cot square theta. Cot square theta is reciprocal is 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta will get cancelled. The answer is 1. So now second problem is show that 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So now let us take LHS. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We are multiplying by rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor is nothing but if plus sign is there in the denominator terms, we have to write minus. So 1 plus cos theta rationalizing factor is 1 minus cos theta. So same rationalizing factor 1 minus cos theta should multiply both numerator and denominator. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. It is like a minus b into a minus b is a minus b whole square. So a value is 1, b value is cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now take denominator 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is looking like a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 only. So b square is nothing but cos square theta. Now numerator you have to expand in a minus b whole square. A value is 1. So a square is nothing but 1. B square is nothing but cos square theta minus 2ab means minus 2 into 1 into cos theta. So minus 2 cos theta. Denominator is, we already know trigonometric identity 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Now if you observe in numerator we have 3 terms. Denominator is 1. So for each numerator term split sin square theta. That means 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta minus 2 cos theta by, in denominator 2 times sin theta is there. So write 1 time into 1 more sin theta, we write it as 1 by sin theta. Now sin theta is a reciprocal of cosecant. So 1 by sin square theta is cosecant square theta. Cos square by sin square theta is cot square theta minus 2 into cos by sin is cot. 1 by sin is cosecant. So now this is looking like a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write it as cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So once again listen, your question is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We have to multiply by rationalizing factor. 1 plus cos theta rationalizing factor is 1 minus cos theta. Multiply both numerator and denominator. Numerator is a minus b whole square. So 1 minus cos theta whole square. Denominator is a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus cos square theta. Here split numerator a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta. Denominator trigonometric identity 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Now numerator we have 3 terms. So split denominator for all the 3 terms. First is 1 minus 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta minus 2 cos theta by sin square theta we have sin 2 times. So 1 time you write here, one more is 1 by sin theta. Sin is a reciprocal of cosecant. So 1 by sin square theta we write it as cosecant square theta. Cos square by sin square is cot square theta minus 2. Cos by sin is cot, 1 by sin is cosecant. So this all represents a minus b whole square. So cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Now third problem, show that root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Now take LHS, square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Same, this also multiply by rationalizing factor. 1 minus sin a rationalizing factor is 1 plus sin a. Multiply both numerator and denominator. Numerator will be a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole square. So a is 1, b is sin a. So 1 plus sin a whole square. Denominator is a plus b into a minus b. So a value is 1, b value is sin a. A square, 1 square is 1. B square is sin. So sin square a. So now 1 minus sin square a, we use trigonometric identity cos square a. Now split this square root separately both for numerator and denominator. 1 plus sin a whole square. So this square and square root will get cancelled. Square root of cos square a. This square and root both will get cancelled. Now we have got 1 plus sin a in numerator, cos a in denominator. So numerator we have two terms no. Now split numerator, denominator separately. So 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos is reciprocal of secant. Sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a. So once again square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Rationalizing factor multiply. 1 minus sin a will become 1 plus sin a. Multiply both numerator and denominator. Numerator will become a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole square. So a value is 1, b value is sin a. So numerator is 1 plus sin a whole square. Now denominator a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square, 1 square is 1. B square is sin square a. Now trigonometric identity in denominator 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. Now split this square root separately numerator and denominator. Square root of 1 plus sin a whole square. Square root will get cancelled. Denominator also square root of cos square a. Square root will get cancelled. Now what will be remaining? 1 plus sin a by cos a. Split this cos a for both numerator terms. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos is nothing but secant. Sin by cos is nothing but tan. So your answer is secant a plus tan a. Now fourth problem, show that 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. So now take LHS, 1 minus tan square a, we already know trigonometric ratio sin square a by cos square a. Cot square a, we will write it as cos square a by sin square a. If no denominator is there in 1, you have to take it as 1. 1 into cos square a is cos square a, then 1 into cos square a cos square a, sin square a into 1 is sin square a, that is numerator. Now comes to denominator. Cot square we have converted into cos square a by sin square a minus 1. Here also we don't have denominator, so take as 1. 1 into sin square a is sin square a. 1 into cos square a is cos square a. 1 into sin square a is sin square a. So now we have two fractions. So first fraction write as it is, cos square a minus sin square by a by cos square a into second fraction will be reciprocal, sin square a by cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square a minus sin square a, cos square a minus sin square a will get cancelled. Sin square a by cos square a is tan square a. So which is your RHS. So once again you listen, tan square a we are writing it as sin by cos, cot we are writing it as cos by sin. Since we have tan square, so here it will become sin square a by cos square a. Cot square a will become cos square a by sin square a. If no number is there in denominator, take 1. So 1 into cos square A is cos square A, then cross multiplication. 1 into cos square A is cos square A, sin square A into 1 is sin square A. This is your numerator. Now denominator. Sin square A into 1 is sin square A, 1 into cos square is cos square A, 1 into sin square A is sin square A. Now we are dividing two fractions. Numerator will write as it is cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A. Division reciprocal sign is multiplication. Now second fraction will be reversed. Sin square A will be numerator, cos square A minus sin square A will be in denominator. This both will get cancelled. Sin square A by cos square A we already learned trigonometric ratio, that is nothing but tan square A, which is your RHS. Now fifth problem, show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta sin theta. Here also we don't have any denominator, so I have written as 1. Now denominators you multiply. 1 into cos theta is cos theta. Now cross multiplication. 1 ones are 1. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Here we are using trigonometric identity. 1 minus cos square theta place we are writing sin square theta by cos theta. Now write sin square theta as sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Why we have to split means your RHS is tan theta. Tan theta trigonometric ratio is sin by cos. Since we are having here sin square, 2 sin, one will write it as sin by cos, the other one is as sin theta only. So sin by cos is tan theta and sin theta. So once again your question is 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Denominator they didn't give any value, so we are taking 1. So multiply denominators both. 1 into cos theta is cos theta, cross multiply. 1 ones are 1, cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Trigonometric identity, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Here we have 2 sines, so we can write it as 1 sin by cos, the other one as sin. Why we have to write sin by cos? Because our RHS is tan theta, no? We already know tan trigonometric ratio is sin by cos. So now sin by cos we are writing it as tan theta, sin theta is as it is sin theta. This is your RHS. Sixth one, simplify secant A of 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. First multiply the secant A to these terms. 1 into secant A is secant A, plus into minus minus secant A into sin A. Secant is reciprocal of cos. So secant A we are writing it as 1 by cos. 1 into sin A is sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. So here we are writing A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula of A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. A value is secant, B value is tan. Secant square A minus tan square A. Now our identity is 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. 1 is equal to secant square A minus tan square A. So in place of secant square A minus tan square A, we are writing the answer 1. Once again simplify. Secant A multiply 1 minus sin A. First multiply this 2. 1 into secant A is secant A. Secant A into sin A is secant A sin A. Secant is a reciprocal of 1 by cos A. Sin by cos is nothing but tan A. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Now we are using identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. 1 is equal to secant square A minus tan square A. So in place of secant square A minus tan square A, our value is 1. Now seventh problem. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now take LHS part. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square. This is looking like A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A value is sin A, B value is cosecant A. So A square is nothing but sin square A, B square is nothing but cosecant square A plus 2 into A is sin A, B is cosecant A. Now this part is over now. Now this side cos A plus secant A whole square. Here also we will use A plus B whole square. A is cos A, B is secant A. A square is nothing but cos square A, B square is nothing but secant square A plus 2 into A into B. So 2 into cos A into secant A. So now let us write cos square A next to sin square A. So sin square A plus cos square A. We know identity cosecant square A is nothing but 1 plus cot square A. Here 2 into sin A. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. So we have to write it as 1 by sin A. Now here also secant square A trigonometric identity is 1 plus tan square A. 2 into cos A. Secant A is reciprocal of cos. So we will write 1 by cos. Cos will get cancelled. Sin will get cancelled. Sin square A plus cos square A identity is 1. This one is from here. 2 cancel, no, sin A, this is from here. There 2 cos A is there, no, this is that from there. 1 plus tan square A, 1 is this side. So balanced terms are cot square A and tan square A. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So answer is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So once again sin A plus cosecant A whole square, we are writing it as A plus B whole square. A is sin square A, B square is cosecant square A, 2AB is 2 sin A cosecant A. Now comes to this side. This side also we are writing A plus B whole square only. A square is cos square A, B square is secant square A, 2AB is 2 cos A secant A. Now write cos square A next to sin square A because they both are identity. Sin square A plus cos square A. Cosecant square A will write it as 1 plus cot square A. 2 sin A, cosecant is reciprocal of sin. So we will write it as 1 by sin A. Secant square A trigonometric identity is 1 plus tan square A plus 2 cos A. Secant we will write it as 1 by cos. So there cos, sin will get cancelled. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. This one is from 1 plus cot square theta. This 2 is from sin A cancelled. This 2 is from cos A cancelled. Now this one is from 1 plus tan square A. So the remaining terms are cot square A and remaining is tan square A. Now we will add 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So answer is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. They have given here 3 identities. First multiply first and second. So this will look like A plus B into A minus B. So what is the formula of A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. Here A value is 1. So 1 square is 1 only. B place cos theta. So we have written here cos square theta. 1 plus cot square theta we have to carry forward to the next step. Now 1 minus cos square theta trigonometric identity is sin square theta. 1 plus cot square theta trigonometric identity is cosecant square theta and cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So cosecant square theta we write it as 1 by sin square theta. Sin square theta will get cancelled. The answer is 1. So in your question first if you observe they have given 3 terms but first and second are looking little bit same. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So I will apply here a plus b into a minus b. Formula is what? A square minus b square. A value is 1. So 1 square is 1 only. B value is cos theta. So cos square theta. 1 plus cot square theta as it is will write. Now trigonometric identity 1 minus cos square theta value is sin square theta. 1 plus cot square theta trigonometric identity is cosecant square theta. We already know about reciprocal relation. Sin is reciprocal to cosecant. So cosecant can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Sin square theta will get cancelled. The value is 1. Now if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p they are given, they are asking what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta. So we have only one trigonometric identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Plus tan square theta we have to take that side, it will become minus. Why only like this? Means 1 is here plus 1 is here minus. So a plus b into a minus b will give a square minus b square. So in that way we can start solving the problem. So tan and secant relation is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 is equal to plus tan square theta, when you take that side, minus tan square theta. 1 is equal to, here a square minus b square we have to split. 1 is a plus b into a minus b. Secant theta plus tan theta value they have given in the question as p. So write here p into secant theta minus tan theta. Between relation is multiplication. We all know multiplication when it comes to opposite side, division. So the value of secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. So once again, given question is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p. They are asking what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta. Solution is secant and tan relation, we have only one trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta plus tan square theta when it comes to opposite side minus tan square theta. So here we are using a square minus b square. So a square minus b square formula is what? A plus b into a minus b. A value is secant theta, b value is tan theta. Now secant theta plus tan theta. See the question. They have given the value as p. So write here secant theta plus tan theta value as p into secant theta minus tan theta. Between two we have multiplication. We all know multiplication when it comes to opposite side, division. So secant theta minus tan theta value is 1 by p. Now if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, we have to prove that k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 is equal to cos theta. Now let us take LHS part. In k place write cosecant theta plus cot theta, both in numerator and denominator. Numerator it is a plus b whole square formula, denominator is also same. So cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1, this is in numerator. Cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1 is in denominator. So now both numerator and denominator expand in a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is cosecant theta, b is cot theta. So a square means cosecant square theta, b square is cot square theta, 2 into a is cosecant theta, b is cot theta. Up to this both numerator and denominator same. Now here minus is there. And what about this one? How to convert? There we have identity, no? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So in place of 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Whenever we are substituting, please keep in the brackets because minus should multiply both the terms. Same in denominator also. Only sign will differ. In place of 1, we have to write cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. This has come from the trigonometric identity. Now, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, plus into minus, minus cosecant square theta. Minus into minus plus cot square theta. This is numerator. Plus cosecant square theta minus cosecant square theta will get cancelled. Up to this numerator. Comes to denominator, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Here plus into plus, plus only. So plus cosecant square theta. Plus into minus, minus cot square theta. Here minus cot square theta plus cot square theta, both will get cancelled. Now see numerator, how many times cot square theta is there? 1, 2. So here 2 cot square theta. The remaining term is 2 into cosecant theta cot theta. This is your numerator. Now comes to denominator. How many times cosecant square theta is there? 1, 2. So 2 cosecant square theta plus remaining term is 2 cosecant theta cot theta. Now in numerator carefully observe 2 cot square theta. That means 2 is present in both. So we have written outside. Cot square theta means 2 times cot is there here. Here 1 time cot is there. So write 1 time common out cot theta. Same way in denominator 2 is present in both, no. So we have taken common. Here cosecant square means cosecant is present 2 times. So here cosecant is present 1 time. So we have to take 1 time cosecant theta common. Numerator balance is cot theta plus cosecant theta. Here cosecant theta plus cot theta. Both will get cancelled. Few students will get doubt why cosecant theta plus cot theta will get cancelled. In addition terms you can rewrite also cot theta plus cosecant theta, cot theta plus cosecant theta. So both will get, if it is minus only problem. Plus means we can rearrange cot theta plus cosecant theta. So both will get cancelled. Here 2 also will get cancelled, no. Now cot theta, trigonometric ratio is what? Cos theta by sin theta by. Now what is balance here? Cosecant theta. Cosecant is reciprocal of 1 by sin theta. Now again division of two fractions. So first fraction we will write as it is cos theta by sin theta. This division is a reciprocal, sign is multiplication. 1 by sin theta will become sin theta by 1. Sin will get cancelled. So what we have to prove? Cos theta. So we got cos theta. So once again listen. Cosecant theta plus cot theta value they have given as k. They are asking you to prove k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, answer as cos theta. So wherever k is there, first write cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square. Both in numerator and denominator we have to split in a plus b whole square form. Here a value is cosecant. So a square means what? Cosecant square theta. B value is cot theta. B square means what? Cot square theta. Plus 2 into a is cosecant theta, b is cot theta. Up to this both numerator denominator same. Now our question is 1 how to convert. We have trigonometric identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Plus cot square we go that side, minus cot square. So wherever 1 is there in both numerator and denominator, keep it in the brackets and write cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Both numerator and denominator. Now multiply plus into minus, minus cosecant square theta. Minus into minus plus cot square theta. Minus cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta will get cancelled in numerator. Now say denominator. Plus into plus, plus cosecant square theta. Plus into minus, minus cot square theta. Minus cot square theta plus cot square theta will get cancelled. Now what are the remaining terms? Just we will add and write cot square theta, cot square theta. 2 times it is there, no? So we have written 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta we have written. This is up to numerator. Now say denominator cosecant square theta, cosecant square theta. How many times? 2 times. So 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta. In both numerator and denominator 2 is common, so we have written out. Now carefully observe cot square theta. So here cot is present 2 times, here cot is present 1 time. So minimum 1 time is there, so we have written outside 1 time. So inside it is cot theta, and what is the balance term? Cosecant theta. This is your numerator. Denominator already 2 we have written, no. Now cosecant square theta. Cosecant is present 2 times, here 1 time. So write 1 time common out. So here cosecant theta plus cot theta. Both will get cancelled. Even though terms are arranged, we can arrange and cancel the term because addition will not have any problem. So cot theta plus cosecant theta, cot theta plus cosecant theta will get cancelled. 2 also will get cancelled. Now cot theta trigonometric ratio we learned, no, cos theta by sin theta divided by cosecant theta reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. Again we came to 2 division of 2 fractions. First as it is we will write cos theta by sin theta. Division reciprocal sign is multiplication. 1 by sin is nothing but sin by 1. Sin will get cancelled. So our RHS is cos theta is proved. So what we discussed so far, so once again we will recapitulate. First one is identification of sides. So in a right angle triangle how many sides we have? 3 sides. So since we are in trigonometry, if a person is standing in the point here, if he wants to see top of the building, he needs to raise the head. So here what angle he made, let us denote with theta. Now theta opposite side is known as opposite side and theta adjacent is known as adjacent, and the length of the top of the building to the person is known as hypotenuse. So in a right angle triangle we have 3 sides. We have named the 3 sides in the identification of sides. If the person is at here, suppose if the same person is standing in the top of the building, he needs to bend his head. So how much angle he bend his head is theta. So theta opposite side, here it is ground will come in the opposite side. So theta opposite is opposite side, theta adjacent is adjacent side. The length of top of the building to the bottom of the ground is hypotenuse. So in this particular topic we have identified the sides. If theta is here, what is opposite? This one. What is adjacent? This. Hypotenuse is nothing but slant height. Same thing, if theta is here, theta opposite is opposite side, theta adjacent is adjacent side, slant height is nothing but hypotenuse. So first introduction part of trigonometry starts with identification of sides. After sides, we have 6 trigonometric ratios. Very important, 6 trigonometric ratios we have. First is nothing but sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse. Cosine, we will name it as cosine, we will write short form as cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is nothing but tangent. Tangent theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Cosecant theta, cosecant will write it as cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Secant will write it as sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Cotangent will write it as cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. Once again we have 6 trigonometric ratios which will help you to find the other sides. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Reciprocal of sin is nothing but cosecant. So reciprocal is nothing but interchanging numerator and denominator. Cosecant will become hypotenuse by opposite. Secant is reciprocal of cos. So hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot is reciprocal of tan, adjacent by opposite. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios of the second part of trigonometry. Next comes to the reciprocal relations. Reciprocal, how many ratios we have? 6, no? So here also we have 6 reciprocal relation. Sin here reciprocal is nothing but 1 by. Reciprocal when we tell 1 by cosecant A. Cos A is equal to 1 by secant A. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. In exam no need to learn all the 6. If you know sin, automatically cosecant will write 1 by sin. Cos, if you know 1 by secant, secant will write 1 by cos. Tan, if you know 1 by cot, cot will write 1 by tan A. If we have 6, since 3 are reciprocals, learn above 3, automatically below 3 will be the reciprocals. After this part, main part of the trigonometric is trigonometric angles. So we have 6 trigonometric angles: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Each trigonometric ratio for different angles, we have few standard angles. Sine 0 degree 0. Like that we have one full table. Instead of by hearting, just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since last digit is 4, divide each number by 4, apply square root. Sine value 0 by something is 0. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is what? 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 is root 2 only. Here root 3 square root is root 3. Root 4 is 2. Root 1 is 1. Just learn how to write sine. Write the reverse order, we will get the cos. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Now how tan we will get? Sine by cos is only tan, no? 0 by something is 0. Next 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Denominator 2 will go. 1 by root 2 will go correct. Here in this fraction, what is the number above? 1. So that will come in the numerator. In this fraction root 3. So according to which one priority numerator? Here 1, no? So here 1 came. Here the balance one is root 3. 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 will get cancelled. So here it is 1. Denominator 2 will get cancelled, root 3. And last one is 1 by 0 is not defined. ND indicates not defined. Tan reverse only cot. So write reverse of tan, not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sine. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 2 reverse means 2 by 1, no. So 2. 1 by root 2 is nothing but root 2 by 1. Root 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Write the reverse of cosecant, we will get secant. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. Very important, just learn how to write sine row, automatically reverse will get all the values. In exam they may ask any value, so instead of by hearting, learn how to write the table. Now the next topic is complementary angles. Complementary word we already know, it is complementary is nothing but 90 degrees. So sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine. Tan 90 minus theta cot. Cosecant, secant, secant, cosecant, cot, tan. Just remember sine and cos are pain. So in the exam if they give sine 90, just write automatically cos. If they give cos, sine. So it's easy to learn complementary, learn like a pairs. Sine and cos are one pair, cosecant and secant are one pair, tan and cot are one pair. Now last topic of this chapter is identities. We have three identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Before going to exam, if you go through this flowchart, at least we will know the few formulas, because with the help of formulas, reciprocals, angles only, we will solve the trigonometry problems.